Fill in the blanks with suitable words. First statement is time taken by an object to complete one oscillation is called. अगर एक object oscillations कर रहा है, suppose इधर गया, then it comes to its original position, then it goes there on the left side, then it returns back to its main position. So जो time लगा उसको एक complete oscillation करने का, that's called as its time period. Loudness is determined by the dash of vibration. We know loudness is determined by amplitude of the vibration because loudness is directly proportional to amplitude square. Okay. So next part is the unit of frequency is frequency को unit को हम बोलते हैं hertz. ठीक है. Now unwanted sound is called as unwanted sound मतलब जो sound unpleasant होती है and that may cause harmful effects on body. ऐसी आवाज को हम बोलते हैं noise. और excess of noise results in noise pollution. Now D part की बात करें हम, shrillness of a sound is determined by dash of vibration. Shrillness of sound is determined by the frequency of vibration. जितनी ज्यादा आवाज हमारी श्रिल होगी उतनी ज्यादा साउंड की फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी. जैसे एक विसल की आवाज is having more frequency and more shrillness as compared to the sound produced from a drum. ठीक है. एक जो ड्रम की साउंड होगी उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी कम होगी और उसकी श्रिलनेस कम होगी as compared to the sound produced by a whistle.